Welcome back to the last video in our series about our online environment for Design for Learning. We'll end our tour by exploring other ways of communicating beyond the discussion forums. First, social media tools can help us to extend our conversation. We'll talk about several different social media tools during the community module, but with the initial cohorts of D4L, we found Facebook to be the most widely used, since many of you are on it already. If you're not on Facebook, don't worry. We'll explore a variety of social media platforms for communication during the community module, and the discussion forums within Moodle will remain as our main way of communicating. Consider joining our informal Facebook group, Design for Learning 21st Century Online Learning for Library Workers. There's a link to this on the course page in the orientation module. This is a closed group, so ask to join, and an administrator will check to see that you're enrolled in D4L at Web Junction to avoid spam. This is another great way to keep in touch and to hear from some alums of the program, especially when you want to share something from another Facebook feed. On the course page, you can also find a link to our public Facebook page called Design for Learning Online Teaching and Learning Skills for Library Workers Community. This is a little less interactive, but is open to anyone and gives us a place to share official news from our program. Another really great way to communicate with others in this program is to set up times to actually talk in real time. Remember, we recommend that you'll have a richer experience in this program if you can work through it with a buddy or a group, and sometimes meet with them synchronously. This is something we found some members of our first two cohorts really appreciated, and it helped them get more engaged in the program. To help you with that, we've created a D4L Guide to Synchronous Meeting Tools as a book module that you can link to from the main course page. This includes quick, start, one-page guides, and video tutorials for several tools to help you give some of them a try. You may want to just skim over that section so you have a sense of what's covered in it, and then you can return to it throughout your time in the D4L program to try out those different tools. Even if you already have a buddy or group, we recommend that you post in the D4L community forum to set up your meeting times rather than just through private email. That way you can invite others to join in and benefit from a wider range of perspectives of the issues in this program. That's it for our tour of our learning environments for D4L.